आज के समय पे हर कोई इंग्लिश बोल ही लेता है। यदि आप दिखना चाहते हैं सबसे अलग और अट्रैक्टिव, तो आपको बोलनी होगी एडवांस्ड इंग्लिश। जब हम इंटरव्यू के लिए जाते हैं तो वहाँ पे सबको इंग्लिश आती है, लेकिन सिलेक्शन उसी का होता है जो एक अच्छी कम्युनिकेशन के साथ बात कर पाता है, अपनी कम्युनिकेशन में एडवांस्ड इंग्लिश को यूज़ कर पाता है। आज के इस वीडियो में हम सीखेंगे एडवांस्ड इंग्लिश। और यदि आप हमारी ये एडवांस्ड इंग्लिश की बुक परचेस करना चाहते हैं तो उसका लिंक नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिया गया है, आप वहाँ से ये बुक परचेस कर सकते हैं। इस ई बुक में एडवांस्ड इंग्लिश को काफ़ी ईजी लैंग्वेज में समझाया गया है, जिसकी मदद से आप काफ़ी अच्छी इंग्लिश बोल पाएंगे। और इसके अलावा अगर आप हमारी कोई और भी ई बुक परचेस करना चाहते हैं तो उसका लिंक भी नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिया गया है, आप वहाँ से वो बुक भी परचेस कर सकते हैं। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज का वीडियो। आई एम फाइन, आई एम वेल, आई एम वेल, गुड, अमेजिंग, अमेजिंग, टेक्स्ट मी व्हेन यू गेट फ्री, hit me up when you get free, hit me up when you get free. I am leaving for Goa next week. I am heading out for Goa next week. I am heading out for Goa next week. I can't tolerate with this. I can't put up with this. I can't put up with this. Thanks for defending me. Thanks for sticking up for me. Thanks for sticking up for me. I will just improvise. I will just wing it. I will just wing it. I'm going to the gym. I'm off to the gym. I'm off to the gym. I had a quiet weekend. I had a low-key weekend. I had a low-key weekend. Why is he being rude to me? Why is he giving me attitude? Why is he giving me attitude? I'm just okay. Can't complain. Can't complain. I disagree. Not in my books. Not in my books. I understand you. I feel you. I feel you. Send me a message later. Hit me up later. Hit me up later. I look for solutions inside myself rather than others. I am self-reliant. I am self-reliant. I respect my grandfather. I look up to my grandfather. I am look up to my grandfather. Keep it a secret. Keep it under wraps. Keep it under wraps. I am very scared. I am petrified. I am petrified. She is very rich. She is absolutely loaded. She is absolutely loaded. I am confused. I am bemused. I am bemused. I took a short nap in the afternoon. I took a cat nap. I took a cat nap. Good choice. Good call. Good call. What are you doing today? What are you up to today? What are you up to today? I am leaving. I am out of here. I am out of here. You can rely on me. You can count on me. You can count on me. Let's start where we stopped. Let's start where we left off. Let's start where we left off. I made a serious mistake. I screwed up. I screwed up. I haven't seen you in a long time. Long time no see. Long time no see. I am surprised to meet you here. Fancy meeting you here. Fancy meeting you here. I am going to open a restaurant very soon. I am about to open a restaurant. I am about to open a restaurant. Goodbye. I am off. I am off. I am fine. I am well. I am well. You are bad. You are lousy. You are lousy. Go to sleep. Hit the sack. Hit the sack. I will keep it a secret. My lips are sealed. My lips are sealed. I really read. I read once in a blue moon. I read once in a blue moon. I have more important things to do. I have bigger fish to fry. I have bigger fish to fry. I don't care. See if I care. See if I care. It's raining outside. It's pouring outside. It's pouring outside. They are going to get married next week. They are going to tie the knot next week. They are going to tie the knot next week. Have a nice day. Have a cheerful day. Have a cheerful day. Good luck. Break a leg. Break a leg. I can't understand anything. It's all Greek to me. It's all Greek to me. I am very happy. I am over the moon. I am over the moon. I am very tired. I am exhausted. I'm exhausted. I'm not interested in singing. Singing is not my cup of tea. Singing is not my cup of tea. I don't have money. I'm broke. I'm broke. Why are you in a bad mood? Why are you cranky? Why are you cranky? You are so lucky. You are so jammy. You are so jammy. Drink some water. Keep yourself hydrated. Keep yourself hydrated. I was slightly drunk last night. I was a little tipsy last night. I was a little tipsy last night. It's a hard job. It's a daunting task. It's a daunting task. I slept very well. I slept like a baby. I slept like a baby. Thank you very much. Thanks a bunch. Thanks a bunch. Give me the details. Fill me in. Fill me in. She is confused. She is mixed up. She is mixed up. I'm going to sleep. I'm going to crash out. I'm going to crash out. It's easy. It's a breeze. It's a breeze. You have to decide. Make up your mind. Make up your mind. Sorry, I feel asleep. Sorry, I nodded off. Sorry, I nodded off. Let's meet today. Let's catch up today. Let's catch up today. Why are you so angry? Why are you so pissed off? Why are you so pissed off? I'm very busy. I'm swamped. I'm swamped. Sorry, my bad. My bad. You are beautiful. You look drop dead gorgeous. You look drop dead gorgeous. I can handle and recover quickly from difficult situations. I am incredibly resilient. I am incredibly resilient. I am positive and confident when dealing with problems. I am always optimistic. I am always optimistic. I work hard to make sure I achieve my goals. I am extremely determined. I am extremely determined. I look for solutions inside myself rather than others. I am self-reliant. I am self-reliant. It will never happen. Fat chance. Fat chance. I have done a lot of work today. It's been a long day. It's been a long day. I don't believe her story. I don't buy her story. I don't buy her story. How are you? How do you do? How do you do? और यदि आप हमारे इनमें से कोई भी बुक परचेस करना चाहते हैं तो उसका लिंक नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिया गया है। आप वहां से हमारे इनमें से कोई भी बुक परचेस कर सकते हैं। इन बुक्स में इंग्लिश को काफ़ी इजी लैंग्वेज में सिखाया गया है जिसकी मदद से आप एक अच्छी इंग्लिश बोल पाएंगे। अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो इस वीडियो को लाइक, सब्सक्राइब, शेयर ज़रूर करें।